County.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Morgan County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Walton County in north-central Georgia, north-central Jasper, central Georgia, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Covington. A severe thunderstorm was located near Covington, moving at 35 miles per hour. Wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Covington, Madison, Social Circle, Oxford, Rutledge, Newborn. Social Circle, Oxford, Rutledge, Newborn. Starkville, Hard Labor Creek State Park, Brick Store, Herndonville, Farrar, and Appalachia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 5 p.m.